Welcome. If you've ever missed the sound notification when someone joins your Discord server and want to make sure you never miss it again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable notification sounds for user joins on the Discord app for PC, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're looking at the main Discord window. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and right next to that, there's a little gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available for your Discord account. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a section called Sounds. This is where you can customize all the different notification sounds Discord offers. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled User Join. To enable the sound for when someone joins a voice channel, simply toggle the switch next to User Join so it turns on. When the switch is enabled, you'll hear a sound every time a user joins your voice channel, making it much easier to keep track of who's coming and going, especially during busy sessions or gaming nights. And that's it. You've now enabled notification sounds for user joins on Discord. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you're managing a community or just want to stay in the loop with your friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.